How to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable recommended videos on YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your YouTube. Now here what you'll need to do is your recommended video section is connected to your watch history. So to disable your recommended videos, you will need to just clear out your watch history. So just go to your profile section on the bottom right, tap on the settings on the top right, and here scroll down. Now after you scroll down for a bit, you should be able to see an option that says your account or your data in YouTube. Tap on your data in YouTube. If you don't find your data in YouTube, go to your account and then go to your data in YouTube. After doing so, scroll down till you see YouTube watch history section, and there you will see manage your YouTube watch history. Tap on it. After you tap on it, let it load, and after you let it load, you will see the delete option. Tap on delete and tap on delete all time. After you tap on delete all time, you will be able to delete your watch history. So tap on delete and confirm this and tap on got it. Now this will clear out your YouTube watch history and also your recommended videos on YouTube. Now you can go back to your YouTube section and you can reload and then you can start watching something. And that is basically it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.